Hi guys, sa video na to papakita ko sa inyo isa sa mga pinagkakakitaan ko online, other side hustles. So, ito is a very good project and very stable. Dito guys, we will earn up to 8% daily return and 6% referral rewards. Ang maganda kasi dito guys, yung developer nito is the same as the developer of Baked Beans. That was 2 years ago. And maraming nakapag-earn ng BNB dito. So, it's been super viral sa YouTube. Maraming nag-earn. Like 500 up to thousands of dollars daily. Okay? By just staking their BNB through Baked Beans. Alright? So, if you search on YouTube, ayan, marami dyan. Baked Beans. Marami na ding mga clones na naglabasan no, after Baked Beans. So, again, yung stability at yung mga anti-whale mechanism ng project, yun yung kino-consider natin. So, bakit ko nagustuhan si Baked Beans? Ayan, so I've been here, sabi ko nga, I've been here for a couple of weeks now. Itong Ultimate Baked Beans na to is the clone of Baked Beans. So, si Baked Beans naman, that's the original project na ni-launch 2 years ago, wherein yung developer nun at yung developer ngayon ni Brood Beans is the same. Okay? So, kaya ko napili ito guys, it's because napaka-stable niya. So, nung nakapasok ako dito, I think nasa 20 plus something yung BNB sa contract. Okay? Pero after that, bumaba siya. Syempre, yung first launch nito, nagpasukan lahat ng mga whales. 'Di ba? So, ang maganda dito, ang good news dito is, those whales are already left the project. So, wala na sila dito. Tapos na yung mga contract nila, tapos na yung job nila dito, no? So, kumita na sila ng malalaki. Ang maganda doon, very stable pa rin. Ayan, 12 BNB pa rin yung laman ng contract. And since I started here, it's been very stable. After that, after nung mga whales na yun, no, na umalis na dito. So, yun, I've been earning good amount of BNB from here. Okay? Kaya I decided to share this in my channel. So, for those of you na gusto ring mag-earn ng 8% per day, up to 8% ha, this is not fixed guys. Depende yan sa mga pasok ng mga stakers or investors. So, sabi ko nga, yung developer nito is very serious, very trusted, and I'm not connected with this dev, but meron ng reputation itong developer na to. So, if we check their Telegram channel right here, so napaka-active ng dev nito, and hindi siya ganun saturated. Kasi minsan, disadvantage yung maraming mga members, no? Kasi, it's possible na ma-drain na yung contract. So, ang maganda dito, napakasipag ng developer. Ayan, meron siyang mga automated bots. Yung tinatawag na shilling. Okay? So, meron siyang mga built-in na auto-comments, okay, para sa mga leaders or sa mga promoters. Yan, this is big help para sa community, para lumago siya and para para makilala yung project, no? So, napakasipag ng dev nito, kaya naman, at marami siyang mga features na ginawa sa Brood Beans para to make it very stable. Katulad nga yan, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is to increase our beans, kasi yan yung tinatawag natin na mga miners. Okay? So, dito, nag-start lang ako sa 0.03. Yan, 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. And I keep on rebrewing. So, ang rebrew dito is like compounding. Okay? Reinvesting. Tapos, yung drink coffee, it's like withdrawals. So, wini-withdraw natin yung earnings natin dito in BNB na. So, every time na nagre-rebrew tayo, maliit lang yung gas fee nito. So, ayun nga guys, I keep recompounding or rebrewing my earnings from 0.03 na kapital. Tapos, lumago siya ng 21 beans. So, I decided 3 days ago na magdagdag. Kaya naman nagkaroon ako ng 0.226 na BNB capital dito. Okay? Yun yung tinatawag na upgrade treasury. So, kinlik ko yan, kailangan mo ng 0.1 BNB para ma-upgrade yung treasury mo. Okay? So, every 24 hours, isa sa mga features nito, no, para hindi siya, kumbaga, ma-drain yung contract at to make it stable. So, meron siyang tinatawag na daily, kailangan mo siyang bisitahin, tapos i-click mo yung it's either rebrew or drink coffee. Okay? So, every time na nagwa 100% full na yan, kailangan mong mag-take action. Yun nga, i-click mo yung rebrew or restake and then withdraw. It's up to you. Kung mag-withdraw ka, nababawasan yung miners natin. Okay? Kung mag-re-rebrew ka naman, yun, nadadagdagan yung ating mga miners. Every day, mas tumataas yung pwede nating ma-generate na BNB. So, before, ang nag-generate ko is 0.01 and since for the past 3 days, nagwi-withdraw ako, okay? Kaya bumababa siya. So, that's part of the stability ng contract. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, palalaguin ko ulit yung beans ko dito, which is, this is the miners. So, paano gagawin yon? By clicking rebrew. So, my strategy here is, at least, once a week, magdi-drink coffee ako. Okay? Parang nagte-take profit ako that way. So, yung rebrew naman, everyday gagawin ko yung rebrew para tumaas ng tumaas yung beans ko. This is my miners. That way, tataas din yung aking ma-generate na BNB everyday. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, I will rebrew this. Alright? Since 100% full na siya. So, ang kailangan natin is, everyday bibisitahin natin to kasi every 24 hours, nagwa 100% full yan. So, pag hindi natin kinlik yung mga either buttons na to, naka-stop yung earnings mo. Okay? So, that's part of the stability ng project, diba? Kaya maganda siya. This will run for long term. And maganda siya kasi ang taas ng daily percentage natin. So, basta marami siyang mechanism dito na to prolong the project. Kaya, I choose this one as my other side hustles to earn BNB. Okay? So, gawin na natin yung rebrew. Ayan. Click lang natin yung rebrew. And makikita natin kung magkano yung dev fee. Okay? Saka yung gas fee nito. So, ayan. Ito guys, so ang liit lang. Estimated fee is 0.04 BNB. Okay? I mean, US dollar worth of BNB. So, napakaliit lang para lang tayong nasa OPBNB network. And ang maganda dito, we're not in OPBNB, but we're on normal BNB. Okay? So, ito lang ang problema ko dito sa MetaMask. Medyo mabagal siyang mag-loading. Pero, yep, that's how we do the compounding here. Click rebrew lang. So, again, ang ginagawa ko is, ang gagawin ko pala, my strategy is to keep on rebrewing this for the whole week. Okay? Except one day na magdi-drink coffee ako or magwi-withdraw tayo. Okay? So, since ayaw niya dito mag-work, I will do it in my phone na lang. So, ganun lang guys. Ang ganda nito. Okay? It's like a long-term project. Okay, there's something wrong with my my desktop dito sa MetaMask. So, alright. So, ayan guys, nag-i-start na siya ulit pumatak yung percentage. So, ayan, once na nag 100%, ganun lang ulit yung gagawin. So, it's another long-term project, very stable. You can join their Telegram here. Napakasipag ng dev. And, ayan, mayroon tayong very updated. So, konti lang yung community as of now. So, it means, it's a perfect time pa rin to get in and generate more BNB. Okay? So, I will leave the link in the description. It's up to you if you want to grab this opportunity. If you want to earn more BNB, feel free to register and stay lang kayo dito sa channel for more updates. Okay, so that's it. And again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for staying in my channel. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.